welcome back to my channel. TAHITI here, and it's been a minute. Today's tutorial is going to be a mixture of me talking and like voiceover certain parts, just so that it's not a super long video, but I'm going to be diving into the Stacey Marie MUA and Be Perfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette. I'm going to be using the purples, all the matte colors and black, and add a little bit of glitter. So if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. TAHITI here, and in today's video I just wanted to do like a chit chat, get ready with me. It's been a minute since I've done a look. It's been about 2 weeks since I did my last look. I took a break, had to deal with a few personal things, but now I'm trying to get back in the groove of doing makeup. Plus it's been really hot outside and I cannot be bothered to apply makeup at the moment. So first things first, I'm just going to start off by priming my face. So I'm just going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze and start pushing that through my brow. And I'm just going to be taking the P. Louise 7072 brush. It's just like a flat brush that you can use to cut your crease and stuff. I'm going to be taking that and going right under my brow and carving out that arch basically. I'm going to take the Crayon Case Eyebrow Pomade in Ebony. I have used this foundation. This is the XX Revolution Skin Foundation. So I'm going to use this. I'm like halfway through the bottle and trying to finish it. So I'm going to use this today, and then I'm going to actually use this for the first time. I got this months ago, like maybe like 2 months ago now, and I have not used this. So we are going to use this today. This is the Revolution Glow Molten Body Glow Face and Body Liquid Illuminator. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand, mix some foundation, and then use my sponge to apply it. Okay, so now that I'm finished my complexion, we're gonna go in with our eye makeup today. And I've been wanting to dive back into the Carnival 3 by Stacey Marie palette and Be Perfect Cosmetics, so we're gonna do that today. I've actually never used the purples really in this palette before, so we're gonna dive into that today. And then tomorrow I'm probably gonna use this palette again and do like a neutral look. Not sure if I'm going to record a tutorial for it or if I'm just going to do it and just upload like a before and after. We'll see how I feel. But I'm going to start off by applying my P. Louise base and just applying it all over my lid. So take Blackberry from the palette and dip my brush into this color. Tap off the excess and then press it into my crease. Use Tahiti from the palette, which is this color here. Tap off the excess and I'm gonna put that on top of Blackberry. Work it into this corner nicely too. Pat out my cut crease from the palette, this one, and it's just a nice light lilac, literally. Okay, so I'm gonna take my gel liner. This is just the Anastasia Beverly Hills waterproof liner in Jet, or like cream liner, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line. So now that my eyeliner is set, I'm just putting Blackberry on my lower lash line. Okay, so my eyes are essentially done. I put on my mascara. I'm just gonna apply this 3D chunky holographic glitter from Glow Up Academy. I honestly forget the name of it. There's no names on them, so I'm so sorry, but her glitters are so beautiful. If you follow Kiki Adams, this is her makeup brand, and like her glitters are gorgeous. So I'm just taking a little bit of a glitter glue and I'm placing that lightly, and then I'm going to go into the glitter, tap off the excess and press it into the glitter glue just randomly. They are going to be Goddess Beauty Go Getter. So I'm just going to get the lash ready by applying the glue to the band. I'm going to take Peaches and Cream makeup and I'm going to line my lips. Now I'm going to take the crayon case colored pencil in Bribery. And I'm going to take Be Perfect Cosmetics lip gloss in Starkers. And apply that. So I'm going to take my tweezers, and this is how I like to apply my lashes. And I'm just going to take my lash from the center, like so. And I'm going to place it down like that, and then work my outer corner and tack that down. And then do the same thing with my inner corner, make sure that that's tacked down. So you guys, this is the completed look. I just took down my head tie. I have my wig on, and this is, I changed my shirt. But this is the completed look. Very quick, simple, blended look. Just pop of glitter, bright colors, bright purples. That's what I was feeling. I like how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll definitely see you guys in another one. Bye, loves.